introducing our new campaign, Orbis Victus International or OVI. Ano nga ba ang Orbis Victus International? Ang Orbis Victus International ay pinakauna at pinakabagong division or new vertical ng Alliance in Motion Global, combining the two most lucrative and proven industry, the direct selling industry and of course the protection industry. Welcoming everyone in a new dawn of digital protection, backed up with 15 years of excellence, stability, strength, innovation, and 15 years of changing people's lives. Sa 15 taon ng sakripisyo, pagseserbisyo, at pagbibigay ng opportunity para sa ating community, patuloy na lumalaki at tumatatag ang ating kumpanya. At dahil dito, naisip ng ating Board of Directors na napapanahon na proteksyonan ang pinakamalaga nitong asset. And that is you and your people. You are our greatest asset. At dyan nagmula ang konsepto ng ating bagong campaign na Orbis Victus International. Ang pangalang Orbis ay kombinasyon ng dalawang major Latin terminologies at isang Roman numeral symbol. Una ay ang salitang Orbis. It is a Latin term for compass. Ano nga ba ang compass? It is an instrument that provides guidance and movement papunta sa tamang direksyon. This symbolizes our purpose to help you make the right decisions. Gagawin natin ang lahat upang magabayan at hindi maligaw ang bawat isa sa ating layunin. Pangalawa ay ang salitang Victus, a Latin term that means life, victory, and success. Ito ang inaasam nating lahat, ang tagumpay sa kalusugan, negosyo, at buhay. And finally, the Roman numeral symbol XV signifies the 15 years of existence ng ating company, Alliance in Motion Global, and the birth of the new division in innovation, Orbis Victus International. All of these words coming together as one marks the purpose of our company of not just enriching the lives of our people, but to always guide and protect their present, their future, and of course, their potentials. Orbis Victus International, in everything we do, we think of you.